Good morning, turtles. We are getting ready to go somewhere far away where the rabbit can't reach us. I'm joking. We are going to go in a little excursion, in a little holiday. So I'm taking you with me. Today it's an entertainment kind of video and you are going to relax right now, just like I'm gonna do. I woke up, I had my coffee, I hugged my pets, and I'm getting ready to go. What a strong voice. I love him so much. It's summer, it's hot, so I decided to give him a little haircut. But he loves it. Oh yeah, and on my t-shirt, it's Road, my cat's name. And now you're going to see magic happening in this dressing. Look at me right now. And you will see in 3, 2, 1. And this is me. Friends, turtles, I have a fantastic new. The workout session from yesterday really hit me, really got amazing results because I'm having such a muscle fever in my glutes, in my legs, on my ass cheeks. It's unbelievable. It really worked out. Usually when I want a efficient working out session, I'm wondering, what I wouldn't do because it's too hard. Okay, let's go do it. That's gonna be my outfit. I put my cowboy belt because I am in my cowboy era from 2 summers. I think the most amazing outfit for summer is cowboy, right? Because I like so much Beyonce with her new album. I also have a lot of cowboy boots, which I'm going to show you if the dog allow me. Amazing new cowboy boots. Ba-bam. Which I'm not gonna take. Yeah, I'm not gonna take. They would work amazing for my outfit, but I'm not gonna take because I'm gonna go to a waterfall in the forest, 30 degrees. It's not really, so I'm gonna go with the sport shoes, especially because I'm going with the dog. This amazing belt is from Shein. This denim vest is from Shein, and the jeans, something very basic from Zara, I think 2 years ago. So it doesn't cost a lot to look pretty decent or to have an outfit that it's interesting. What costs the most is the Bulgarian squats that you are not refusing them. So when you want to work out something, ask yourself what's the most difficult thing, the thing I wouldn't do, and do it. Yeah, that's what I do, and it's working all the time. I save time and energy. I do less, but very efficient. So this is my outfit. I wanted to show you my energy in this morning after a cup of coffee. Boofy is here right next to me. He's ready to go. So I'm gonna give you images today. It's a goofy video, it's a funny video, it's a relaxing video. No more finding yourself, zen and everything. Even if finding yourself, your soul, your inner peace, your goals, it's gonna be with you in everything and everywhere. In the forest, in the waterfall, at school, at the job, when you sleep. Today we are relaxing, okay? No more motivational books. Mwah! And that is the road that I drove. I stopped a little bit with the dog for a little break and we are almost there. Imagine that on the road I was listening to Albano and Romina Paolo, and I was listening to Rod Stewart. What else can be better? Nature all over the place, dog in your backtrack, and a lot of nature. I like so much. These are my kind of days. These are my kind of days. I'm gonna show you the road right now. Wow, this is so amazing. How do you do? And now I set my dog free. Oh, river, nature, and a golden retriever. My God. Yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing. He's happy, very happy. And now I'm going to try to bring Buffy in the water. I need to be very careful or you're going to see how I'm gonna fall. The little turtle finally in the perfect environment. At the water with Buffy. Let's see, can I do this? I don't think I have the shoes. Hi Buffy! I think it would be even better to get barefoot. But no, I'm not gonna try anything special for now. I'm just going to enjoy this amazing nature. It seems like this rock is oh, that's it. I got wet. But this is nothing because we are going to go to an amazing waterfall, so let's see. And ladies and gentlemen, this is exactly what he's supposed to do. To enjoy his nature. Hey, my little turtle. He is getting cool. He got very wet in the car. Just simply watching him like that is relaxing. I told you I'm gonna do it. Hi, hi, Apple. I'm giving the command in Romanian because he knows Romanian. Hi. Fascinating. He'll love it. And I like so much. It's extremely cold water that comes from mountains. Real cold, rocky mountains. Wow. I like so much because this river is clean. It seems like people kept it very clean. They didn't throw any trash, so this is fantastic. I can really have all the confidence to step in this river. Ah, Buffy! Hi! Ah, he love it! We love it! Cold water. Ah. Sometimes you need this in very cold, hot summer days. If I am turtle, he is Buffy. Buffy from the water. Look at him. You can let him in here a full day. He's gonna be grateful, thankful. Wow. Seriously, what is this place? And one more thing. Show to your dog the world. He's gonna love it. He can see as much as you show him. So take your dog around the world. Oh, this makes me feel at home. And this makes me feel I'm not living life fully and completely. My dog does. I don't like because there are a lot of people and they want me to put the dog in a leash with babies. But on the other hand, I'm happy because there are a lot of people, because just like that we keep away all the crazy creatures that can be in the forest, right? Like bears. On the way to a fantastic waterfall, the road is challenging. First, because of the people and kids who are scared by my golden retriever. Second, because it's a little bit long and it's very hot outside. But I think it's gonna work. What a wonderful place for recreation. Having a sit in here, right? Wow. Green all over. And here is blue sky, sun is up, my dog is happy, my optimism is high. Yeah, I'm optimistic, I'm happy, I'm charging, I am all plugged in. Nothing smells better than a wet dog in the middle of the summer. I couldn't do very much because it's stuffed with people and I'm not feeling comfortable talking with so much people who have kids. Unfortunately, I was surprised to see they are scared by a golden retriever. But I think I'm going to take it that way. Yeah, I think I'm going to take it that way. To explore a little bit more. Right, Buffy? And to set my dog free. I'm so happy I found a quiet place to be, because being underwater, being under the waterfall exactly there were a lot of people and I'm not feeling comfortable at all talking while people are watching me. So I would rather find my dog, a quiet place, and I'm going to tell you something I wanted to tell you, and actually the purpose I wanted to be here today. I read in a book wrote by Robin Sharma, the monk who sold his Ferrari, about a monk that all the time when he surprised himself having a negative thought would climb on a mountains very far away, walking the whole day, and he arrived on the most cold waterfall and he stayed there under the cold waterfall, water that came from the brain of the mountains, until he would escape by any negative thought. So I was just thinking how it would be right now for me to be under the waterfall, cold waterfall, until I have no negative thoughts, because oh my god, I have a lot. I think it's better to protect yourself and to get rid with your own power, try to get rid of negative thoughts rather than staying in that cold water. That's what I wanted to say. That was the purpose of today, of being under the waterfall. I would love to stay under the waterfall, but there was crowded with people and probably I would arrive anyway on YouTube. And now my moment of glory Hollywood walking shame. Because I still have this side in my veins. And I wanted you to see this because I love this view. And Buffy, tell me, are we going to eat some sausages? 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 Hai la masa, Buffy! Hai la masa! I should say that in Romanian because I did not teach him English yet.